Yo, Spatchcock Funk here with our friends and sponsors, the Griffiss Institute. And not just the Institute itself, but the boss. This is our friend Heather Hage. Super smart, massive leader in the area, and we're just glad to be with you.
Oh, Matt, thank you so much. I'm so happy you're here.
So look, we're throwing this big soiree at the Institute.
Right on.
On July 13th at 4:30 p.m.
Yep.
So why should people from the area come and see all the cool stuff here?
Well, I mean, I think the coolest thing about the Innovare Summer Soiree is that it's the one day a year that we completely open our doors and we simply celebrate the nature of the high-tech community here in upstate New York. So converging together high school teams, elementary school students with PhD researchers, visiting faculty from all over the world. You're talking about a couple hundred people who all come together to simply take a moment to enjoy each other's company and celebrate all the fabulous things that we contribute to make national security safer and to make our community more vibrant by pushing the boundaries of science and technology. Great drinks, great food, all local, cool stunts. I don't think there's anything like it actually anyplace else in upstate New York.
We've been here the past few years, and seeing all these people come together to do these cool things made us think we're gonna make a drink that's gonna bring people together and do some cool stuff too. You ready for it?
I love it. Let's do it.
So because of all the quantum cool stuff you have going on, this is the Antiquark Mojito. So it's refreshing for hot pressured situations, which we know you know about a lot about that. So you ready to make it?
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're gonna take a shaker and we're gonna add in, because there's two of us, we're gonna add in 3 ounces of rum. So 1.5 ounces each. And then from there, we're gonna add in about a 1/4 cup of some fresh mint leaves, picked from my own garden. Then we're gonna muddle that a little bit, you know, because sometimes you just gotta break things up.
Gotta break it down to build it up.
You know that. After we do that, right, we wanna keep breaking these down in the smallest particles possible. So we're gonna put in a splash of blueberry juice, and those are quarks, or we're going anti-quarks, because you know we're anti-heroes up in this.
Right.
A 1/4 ounce of mint simple syrup. So we're gonna muddle it one more time. And now we've got our base there. So from that standpoint, we are gonna give it one heck of a shake. And we're gonna talk about the fact that quarks or anti-quarks, the smallest particles atoms, right?
Right.
And there's 3 colors of them. So we are gonna use red anti-quarks, which are minus quarks, green ones, and blue ones. These are all frozen blueberries, raspberries, and grapes that we're gonna use to garnish the drink with in a second.
Got it. So this is very scientific.
You know, Heather, it is, and actually you have a compressor here that you do some cool stuff with. We brought a compressor and we compressed some fresh lime juice. So we're also gonna put, like any mojito, any cocktail really that calls for lime juice, we put a 1/2 ounce in there. You should always use fresh lime juice. It just makes the flavor a lot better. So a few more shakes. We're gonna strain this over ice. Our 2 cocktails.
Oh, what a beautiful color.
Right?
Ultraviolet.
And that's the deal, because you guys deal with ultraviolet light, ultraviolet crazy stuff. Okay, now though what we're gonna do actually is 16 Stone, an awesome brewery from around here, is gonna be catering the event. So we're using their wild berry seltzer instead of club soda, because let's face it, if we can add more to things just like the Griffiss Institute does, let's add more to it. So we stir it, and we take our frozen fruit, which is all local, and we are going to garnish it with 3 of each. So we know the anti-quarks are in the house.
This is beautiful, and farm to table in action.
You know it. Farm to table, farm to cocktail too. Like, if you can go farm to anywhere, I'm down with it, but cocktails are probably best.
I'm down with it.
So here's to you and all the innovators in the area.
Hey, thanks, Matt.
We'll see you on July 13th, y'all.
Love it. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
Just like the work you're doing for the area.
Yeah, right
Bringing
on.
people back.
I love that.
Loving it.